Hey, this is Cory with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. I'm out in a home in Kirkland, Washington here, just checking on the hose bib. So I wanted to check the pressure on this hose bib here. And that's something that we do with every home inspection, just to make sure that you have the correct amount of pressure going to all the fixtures and plumbing within your home there. So when I went to turn this on, I didn't get a lot of pressure, but I could hear water running. So that told me that there was a leak somewhere. As soon as I turned the water off, I noticed water coming from down underneath, so behind the siding there. As well as down in the crawl space, I found water. So this is another good reason to always double check your plumbing fixtures on the exterior for leaks. Again, this is Cory with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection.